Jacky YBT, tag away, tag everything. And today I'm gonna unbox this. So let's find out. So here it is, everyone. This is the Sandisk Ultra Dual Drive USB Type-C for smartphones, tablets and computers. And I got it for the 32GB version. It comes with 16, 32, 64, 128 GB. So you have plenty of options to choose from, each different storage configuration. This is also made for mobile, for Android phone, because iPhone doesn't have a USB-C, and also PC and Mac. And take a look of the packaging itself. Very clean, simple, and the logo on the bottom, Type-C, and the USB 3.1 is reversible. You can switch from left and right. The one thing that keeps bothering me, like why this side is USB-C and this side is a USB 3.1, but here show that this is USB works 3.1 and this is Type-C. Maybe they try to show that, oh, this can be reversible, so I'm not so sure. But a bit of OCD of me, this kind of things keep bothering me. Yeah, anyway, let's move to the back. As you can see, it's compatible with most Android devices. If your Android devices got the USB-C, I think most probably you can use it, but you have to check that your Android phone support OTG or not. And compatible with Windows Vista, Windows 7, 8, 10 and Mac OS X 10.6 and above. And it comes with 5 years warranty also, which is a plus point. And for Android users, you can download an app. The app's called Sandisk Memory Zone apps for Android users. You can manage your stuff from the pen drive to your phone. It's like a file manager apps. Okay, so let's unbox it right now. So Sandisk make it very easy to open. You just cut through this line and you can get out the pen drive itself. I'm gonna use scissors, the easiest way for this kind of packaging. Okay, done. Okay, so the next thing will be opening it from here. Okay, so use your finger to make an opening, and then you push up, and then you press it and then push towards up, and then you can take out immediately. Whoa, so small, man, so small. Okay, so right now you can just pop it out. Oh my, I like how Sandisk make this pen drive like small and compact, but the build quality is it's not sturdy. I can feel very loose. Like I don't know why the build quality is like it can break anytime soon. I don't know whether you guys can hear it or not. When I shake a bit, there's a bit sound there. You guys can hear it, right? She's not that good, And this is the reversible feature. So here, the Type A ports 3.1, and another side is the USB-C. The main purpose I got this pen drive is because for my MacBook Pro, that thing's only got 2 USB-C ports. So with this, I can transfer my stuff through my old laptop and others, still using Type A ports, laptop and PC. I have no worries about the compatibility using this. So as you can see, this show you the capacity that you choose, 32 gig. So here's some comparison between these two pen drives. This is my old pen drive, the Kingston 16GB, USB 2.0 only, and this is the latest one. So in terms of size, this is much more smaller, but in terms of build quality, I prefer this one. This is much more sturdy, and there's no sound when you shake it. There's no like parts moving around, and this is metal, and this looks metal, but it's plastic. It's all plastic around. It's all plastic. At least this one got a bit of metal. I dropped multiple times and still works fine. Very sturdy. For this one, I'm not so sure about the build quality. This kind of worries me. This is my MacBook Pro 13-inch 2017 version. When I want to use the pen drive, this cannot fit in because different parts. So right now I have this, can use it straight away. That's simple. Before that, I have to use the USB-C dongle. Yeah, I did a review about 2 to 3 months ago, and you guys can check that video out also. I'll put the link down below. So When you plug in, you will get two things. First, the PDF file talking about how to use the Sandisk memory apps. Another one, the APK for your Android phone. Just to show you guys, the PDF. Show you how to set up, how to download. Yeah. And this is the file. I'm not going to use it, although I have Android phones, but it doesn't support it. There's no USB-C, so no point. Yeah. I will format it to the FAT32 so I can read and write between my Mac and Windows. So this is the end result. I'm using the Crystal Disk Mark benchmark the read speed and the write speed of this pen drive. Honestly, it performs badly. It's disappointed for the first test. It should be 150 MB per second for the read speed as they advertise for, and the write speed should be 50 Mbps at least. Right now it's just 41.29 for the read speed and 22.8 for the write speed. So I'm gonna test it again just to see whether the speed will go up or not. We'll see you back soon. So this is the second test. I test the 1GB and it sucks. The read speed is almost the same and the write speed even dropped it. It's terrible. Come on now, Sandisk. This is misleading. Don't know why the product that I got, the read and write speed is that terrible. I watched some other YouTubers video. Their speed is like 150 for the read speed, like 140 to 150. The write speed at least 48, 49 around there. Why my read speed and write speed is that slow? I don't understand. So last but not least, I would like to talk about the pros and the cons of this pen drive. The pros, the design itself. It is lightweight, compact, small and easy to carry around. Got the lanyard hole for you to put on your lanyard also, so you can strap it on your back or something like that. Second, it will be compatibility. This is the dual option, USB-C to USB Type-A, just a swipe of your hand. Just push and then swipe. You no need to worry about the compatibility issues. It also future-proof because it's got USB Type-C ports, so you can transfer through the latest port and the old port. So the third one would be the price. I got it during the promotion time on Lazada. So I got it for 45 ringgit plus shipping fees. It's a pretty good deal for 32GB of storage and it's dual option. So that's all the pros that I can think of. So let's talk about the cons of this pen drive. The first thing, the structure itself is not sturdy, it's not stable because I can hear the parts moving around. And it didn't give me the secure feeling. Yeah, I wish that Sandisk can make it sturdy, be more firm and no moving parts sound. That's the first point. So the second point will be the speed, the read and the write speed. So it advertised by Sandisk, it can read up to 150 MB per second, but in reality it doesn't. So it's just 41, 42 read speed and 21, 22 write speed. Yeah, that's just misleading, man. It's misleading. The speed is terrible. It's still okay for copy files, maybe a few gigabyte of files for 1 or 2 minutes, but I don't like to be cheated, you know. Advertised as 150 MB per second, then at least 100 MB per second read speed, at least, you know. And this why. So that's about it, guys. That's my pros and cons of this pen drive, my thoughts on this pen drive, and I hope you guys will like this video. Remember to like, give a thumbs up, comment down in the comment section below on what's your opinion on this pen drive. Remember to share it to your friends and family, and always subscribe. Your support is always appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.